I met with a lake committee recently to explain why measuring algae levels and then treating them with algaecide is not lake management. It's just a very expensive way of documenting a lake's decline. I was trying to get them to understand that algae blooms are not the problem. They're the warning sign that something much more serious is happening below the surface. One of the guys on the committee is a retired fire chief, and he said, "It seems to me that what you're describing is exactly what it would look like if my crew showed up to a house fire, and instead of fighting the fire, we just went around turning off all the smoke alarms. When there's an algae bloom, that's your smoke alarm. It's the early warning signal that something is dangerously wrong. But instead of finding the fire and putting it out, we just walk around the house disabling every alarm we can find. The house goes quiet for a while, no more alarm noise. Problem solved, right? Except the fire is still burning, so all the alarms all go off again. It's spreading through the walls, through the attic, through the structure of the building, and we just run around resetting the alarms because we don't like the noise they're making. They're making that noise for a reason. That's what the algaecides and herbicides and other chemicals are doing. They silence the alarm for a while. They make the lake look okay for a while. But the fire, what you say, the hypoxia, the nutrient recycling, the collapse of the food web, is still burning down below. And by the time the roof burns down and the toxic bloom is so bad the lake has to be closed, it's too late to put out the fire. What you're saying is, don't confuse the fire alarm and the fire. The only way to actually save the house is to find the fire and put it out. You have to fix the root cause. Everything else is just silencing alarms. I said, Joe, that's a pretty good analogy. And Joe said, you should make a video that explains it that way. So here it is. The more people learn about their lakes, the more engaged they become, the more they understand it their way, the better decisions they make for their lakes. Subscribe to Lake Logic so you can do that too.